How to make a drop-down menu on Shopify quick tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a drop-down menu on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you will get right here to your admin. In order to create a drop-down menu on your Shopify store, you will have to click on online store. In our online store, we have different options. We have themes, blog post, pages, and navigation. So of course the menu is present in our navigation. So we're going to go right here and it will show you the different menus that you have on your Shopify store. So you can see I have two menus, but I want to actually create another menu and I'll show you how to create a drop down. For that, let's click on add menu and you have to give your menu a name. So I'm just going to call it main menu. Then you have to enter items. So I'm going to add different pages from our website. So the first page that I want to add is the home page, and we will enter the link right here and click on add. So you just have to get the link, click on add, it will be added. Let's add another page about contact. Click right here and you can see we will be able to select the page. In our contact, I'm going to go with the policies. Add. Then I'm going to add another one. This one is going to be the products. Then we have to select right here, select products from here, the page. We can also select the products if we want. I'm just going to click on add. All right, so we have all of these items. Now, if I want to create a drop down for the home, what I will do is we can actually grab this and we can place it just like below our main item. So if I place contact below my main item, it will create a sub page and it will create a drop down for me. So I'm going to do that again and I will just place it right here. So you can see now we have a drop down for our menu, which is the home. So now if I click on home, you can see home, click on it and it has a drop down. So this is how you create a drop down. You can add more items to your home. For example, let's add another page. For this, I'm just gonna call it test and get to the link, collections, and click on add. So you can see now it is a drop down. This is the word home, this is our menu, and this is the drop down. Click on save and your drop down menu will be created on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.